This is gonna blow your mind. The Paris Olympics just got hit with a travel nightmare. Hours before the grand opening ceremony of the Paris Olympics, France's high-speed rail network was sabotaged. Fires were set, disrupting travel for an estimated 800,000 people, including spectators and athletes. The chaos started around 4:00 a.m., affecting TGV lines to the west, north, and east of Paris. Even Eurostar services between London and Paris were impacted. SNCF, the rail company, condemned these criminal acts and warned of disruptions lasting through the weekend, and maybe beyond. Thousands of workers are now racing against the clock to assess and repair the damage. Sports Minister Amélie Oudéa-Castéra called the attacks downright appalling and acknowledged their massive impact on the public and Olympic athletes. This incident has cast a shadow over what was supposed to be a festive atmosphere, with over 300,000 spectators expected in the heart of Paris. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation unfolds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest news.